Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing video. I have one, two, and some comics that I picked up as well from previous unboxings that I just didn't film. But they're already opened. I'm going to show those as well. So there's a lot of comics that might be in this video. I have no idea what these boxes contain, but I'm going to show you. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to show you the few that I picked up. Like there was a couple boxes that came a few days ago, and I just never, I didn't film the unboxing, but this is sort of like a little mini haul. And this is the first one, and it's sort of like a trade. It's of episode 1, The Phantom Menace. And this actually features a lot of characters and their first appearances, like Darth Maul and so forth. So it's kind of a cool first appearance thing. And I picked this up really a bit of a rough shape though. Normally it usually goes for about 20. So that's the cover price. So it's not an expensive comic, but Star Wars is super hot right now, and these are kind of key characters. So that was one. This is a Wonder Woman. This one's a mint copy. It's just beautiful copy of Wonder Woman 151. I believe it's the first appearance, modern first appearance of Dr. Psycho, I think. I might have to look that up. I'm going to quickly look that up. One sec here. So yeah, so I had to look it up. I just wanted to make sure that I was saying the right thing. It's Dr. Poison. I knew it was like one of the doctors. So yeah, Dr. Poison's first appearance. So this is the modern Dr. Poison. Dr. Poison, if you remember the movie, the first movie, she was the one that was coming up with the toxins that were like, she wore a half mask and she was coming up with the toxins that they were using to like maybe take over the world. So kind of a minor character, but kind of major character in terms of the movie. So yeah, this is her first modern appearance, the second Dr. Poison. Now this one is actually a very famous cover, and it's just the Venom holding like Spider-Man's skull. It's just a really cool comic, and it's Spider-Man 347. Now, this is not the first Venom cover, but it is a very cool, iconic cover. And it's another high grade. This is like flawless. It's a very pretty comic. The guy was very nice about selling it to me. Okay, so now the unboxing part of the video. So I'm just going to open this first one. Seems like an easy one to open. I always a little bit paranoid when people send things like this. This is not the way to send comics. Let's see. Hopefully it's not too mangled. Oh, this one, it's mangled anyways. This is a Golden Age comic. I won it for a really low bid. I think it was like $20. $20. I was going to say 20 gold. 20 gold. So yeah, it was $20. It's Wiz Comics 147. And I kind of like these old Wiz Golden Age comics, and I think this is maybe, yeah, golden or early, late Golden Age comic. But it's, it's got something nostalgic about it, kind of like kind of these fun kind of comic covers. I really enjoy Captain Marvel, and I enjoy the way Wiz Comics were. Fawcett did some really good stuff. So yeah, it's just a really kind of cool comic, Golden Age, Wiz Comics number 147. So that was inside of there. Now, I'm not sure if there's going to be some more Golden Age goodies in this next unboxing. Here, this one's a bit bigger. So I'm just going to, you're going to watch me like slicing and dicing a bit, I know. But I'm fairly fast at it. Do enough of these unboxings and you get pretty good at it. You know, with all the stuff's going on, I've been buying a lot of stuff online, and it's always exciting to see what you can get. So this is a local seller from Ottawa. Treasure Chest is the name of the company, and I bought a bunch of stuff from eBay from them. So it's going to be a bunch of comics in here. Get through all the wrapping. Now, one of the things that I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to put together 3 or 4 collections. And the 3 or 4 collections that I'm trying to get are Wonder Woman. I'm trying to get all of the first series of Wonder Woman, all the way from number 1 to 329. I think it's 329 is last issue. So yeah, so I'm trying to get the whole series. Now I have most of it actually, and it's coming in future unboxing videos. But another set that I'm really trying to get is Star Wars. And another one that I'm trying to get is Star Trek. So those 3 sets. And there's a few other things that I'm trying to get pieces of the run, which is like X-Men. I'm trying to get 1 through 20 of X-Men. But this is Star Wars. This was a collection of Star Wars ones. And I almost have a complete set of Star Wars, the original Marvel's run of Star Wars. So this is what this is. So it's going to be Star Wars 82, Star Wars 79. These had kind of cool covers. Star Wars 78, Star Wars 92, Star Wars 66, Star Wars 96, Star Wars 93, Star Wars 80, and Star Wars 99, Star Wars 77, and Star Wars 91. Now, the interesting thing about Star Wars is the early issues are actually, in many ways, easier to get. These later issues, like in the 90s, are actually pretty hard to find. Usually when people sell their Star Wars comics, it's usually the early ones. It's always like 1 through 5 are pretty easy to get. The later issues provide a bit of a challenge. The series went all the way up to 106, I think 106 or 107, and the later issues are really hard to find, and they actually can sell for pretty big prices, the later issues. So finding a bunch of later issues is a great find. So right now I'm missing only 3 issues from the whole Star Wars series. And one of them is a key. So it's one of those things I'm looking for, hoping to get. And once I have that set, I'll be so happy to get the whole Star Wars set. I was a big Star Wars fan. So this has been my unboxing video. One Golden Age, bit of bronze Star Wars stuff, and some more Copper Age stuff as well, and a modern kind of cool comic as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos. There's lots of stuff that is happening on my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.